Hey all, this is uh yeah I say I'm back and then I don't really upload. I mean, okay, I said in that video while I'm back I also working on bigger doors, so yeah, just takes time. Give me a second. So this door is one I built recently. You know, I don't know if you remember, I actually built this like on camera, I do think. I don't know. I know I built one of the bottom ones on camera. And I made an Observlerss one a while ago. I don't know if I showcased it. And my first Observlerss one had +1 on this side, while triple was my own and layout size. Then I made this one. Actually, I don't know, let's just showcase this version on here. Let's hope it still works. I'll put a cooldown on. I rarely have cooldowns on my doors. But that works. I'm using some very weird clips. But it's quite cool and it's one of my better doors. So I'm glad. Also, this was the first time where I found this refire thing. Like, look. I mean, it's really slow and stuff, but you get the, it's actually quite cool. When I find out how it works, try to. Anyways, yeah, after that, with a render, an exert, I built this. It is definitely a bit slower. With that I shaved this, what previously wasn't layout size, but we used someone else's triple top. But overall this was quite a funny door. And then I made my own of that size by myself with some stuff as being the same, but it's not really worth showing. But then sometime later, this here, I wanted to shave another layer. And this has to be done by extending this from the bottom block storage. And I didn't really want to do that for a while, but I did. And I did put in some work. And now this door exists and I don't know how to feel about it. It still uses somebody else's triple, but I have now 2 triples on the top. I have some very lazy items. The top actually is not great. But there's something else. But before I about this, I had Door Maker help me. The Maker specifically made this clip right here, that you will see later. And then KO just was present when I built this door. I did an early version of this clip which might used way more cards, but still I wouldn't have been able to make that clip, so yeah. Also credited. And Theo helped me with the burnout, specifically with this timing, because now it's a Vortex, but in an earlier version it didn't work with Vortex, but it worked with having like a free tick. I didn't see that, but Theo saw it and pointed it out. So yeah, and that's the great section done. Now I'll show it once and then I'll go more into explaining how shit works. As you can see, it's not even that slow, faster than some of the other ones. So if we go look at this from the back, you see this very much not needed block, which is also blue for some reason. The reason is quite interesting and I want to show it to you. I forgot. Okay, I can't show you here because I just have to manually do it. but the most recent updated trick rule updating broke. So basically it's this layout for this over and this actually like manages to like fill both of those without needing some timings. This just empowers and this tracks like this, and then it's just extender. And that's how that corner is done. And this one right here, which all got done with a double, gets directed into the top of the triple. Now to show, as you can see, there's a minecart right here that's moved here, and that's what Domeka did. Now for some of the other funny things, this card here is necessary for timing reasons, because if the card isn't here, then the TP retraction here is actually not reliable from my testing. So this card needs to be here to add an extra game tick. That's funny. Then, like, I don't know if it's an extra game tick, but it's some extra delay. The top here uses a very weird dropper thing, but I got it done without any entities. I'm quite happy with. The top only entity is this one, which is for the triple. But this side uses quite a few entities, as you can tell. I use this to power this piston here specifically. I really struggle with that, and I just put an entity here in the end. Now, then here, this is how the powering gets to the bottom on this side. Bottom this side. And is it not connected? Bottom here only basically powers this thing, which does the retraction move here. I will maybe do a video explaining this because it's actually kind of funny. Although let me know if you would be interested. The one interesting thing here, there's an armor stand that moves back, but it can't, like, there can't be a block because then it won't move back far enough. That also has to, like, it's like with a block right here, it would not work. But if you have no block here, then sometimes with the right clipping it can happen that it falls out. I had that happen. So that's why it runs as soon as you. So this DPE retracts with that, and the other DPE, this one, retracts via this line powering from this drop. Besides that, it's actually kind of a cool door. If you want a detailed explanation of this, let me know. I'm happy to make it. I also finished another door that's really cool. That is also kind of a side project. I'm like, to explain that quickly why I do side projects. If I say that I want to do bigger doors, I want to do bigger doors, and I'm working on bigger doors. But that does not mean that I have a lot of, like, well, it does mean that I'm working also on other, like, it should mean that I'm not working on other doors, but it does, I'm working on other doors. And that's because I am stupid and I have like 20 active doors that are still like work in progress. So I'm just slowly finishing all my non-finished doors. This was one of them. The other door that's also finished was one of them. As for a certain 6x6 that I showed in the last video, that's one of the bigger projects. It is basically done. There's only one problem that I don't want to face, and that is I probably need to rewire bottom. Because everything works except for the tape start. The tape start screws everything up, and I tried like every timing so far. And now I need basically just like a longer pulse into here. But doing that is basically not possible. Besides that, I don't know if that was already done when I recorded the last video, but I rewired the top completely. Top is done, now bottom is the issue. I hate this door. Yeah, also, like, I'm still working on it, but it's like, as you can see, this whole area of doors was not there. I think when I recorded the last video, I don't know. If it was, then I'm stupid. But yeah, I'm still working on that, and also I'm working on the other door. So I have like three big projects right now, and a few smaller ones. Yeah, also I have just tests. I have like at least 2 tests per week right now, which is also a reason that I'm not like progressing as fast as I would usually. But I'm happy to say that the one big door that I also started next to this 6x6 back there, and the other 6x6 that is a secret, which also is getting recorded. My current big project is also recording everything. Sorry. So yeah. Aside from that, yeah, I'm doing Redstone. It is not much. I am spending a lot of time with school right now, but I'm working on it. I'm doing Redstone. I'm doing all kinds of fun stuff. And yeah, I hope that there will be like a cool door. One of the projects that I will be able to post for this New Year's. But I will also work on some smaller projects and another tutorial, because I finished the cool door and I will showcase it with like a tutorial going alongside it. And I'm not promising anything, but today it's Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday. I still have problems with the weekdays in English because I still use the drop my words mostly. So yeah, but I may be able to finish the tutorial recording this weekend, and if that's happening, then another really cool door. Like with that, it's like actually a good door, and yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. But yeah, school taking up a lot of time, big doors taking up a lot of time, and I have like 20 unfinished projects, and I'm not even joking. So yeah, see you all in the next video, and sorry that my videos are a bit random right now. I guess that's just my personality. Let's do that. Yeah, see ya.